Everyone, Digital Dylan here. Just want to show you this really cool tool that can kind of help us track our advertising that we're going to do for your business and how many people actually purchase, to track your expenses and the actual revenue to see, hey, how much money are you going to make? What's your return on investment going to be? Obviously, we can do poor results, standard, and best results, so we can kind of track and make a overall intelligent decision when we're doing your advertising. So kind of cool here. Go ahead and open this up. You can see, for example, these are your ads, for example, we'd be running. So this would be like reaching out to cold audiences and then the retargeting, people who didn't buy on the first try, and then we get them on the second time. Of course, we can add the other campaigns such as lead generation and other campaigns that would help in the overall tracking. So obviously we can track the cost with that, and then of course we can show how many people went to your landing page, how many people dropped off, how many people actually purchased with the cost of your product. Of course, you can add on additional products if you have multiple sales pages, or let's say they buy this, but really you're trying to get them to the $1,000, the $2,000 package that you have. Of course, that's something we could add in to better track the overall potential for ROI. And then how many people, for example, book a call and actually buy, and how many people actually go through with the actual order form. So found this pretty cool because you can track it. And for example, you can see here, if I click simulate, obviously this is all mock numbers. These are not averages by any means. But for example, you see here, it cost them about a little over $6,000 and they made $6,400. So what we can do obviously is add in those extra products and any other expenses we might have, of course, to kind of give a more reflective picture of exactly what the ROI is going to be. But found this really interesting because something that we could do to track your business's ROI. If you're interested in doing advertising with me, send me a message and we can talk about it and see if your business qualifies. Thanks.